Hello, everybody. Welcome to another episode of Forever Slow Stroking the podcast. It's your man, it's your boy. You already know me, Eon, son. And I'm just here to give y'all episode 30. You know me, son. First thing I gotta tell y'all, I'm not a financial advisor. You know what I'm saying? Anything I say on these episodes are for entertainment and educational purposes only. So please don't get that mixed up. You feel me, son? Alright. Today, before we get started, I gotta tell y'all, make sure y'all like and subscribe if you're enjoying the content. And I swear I got some new stuff coming for y'all every week. Pause. Yeah, you know me. Alright, so first thing first. I gotta talk to y'all about, the big elephant in the room. And that's the fact, you know what I'm saying? What to do with crypto, son. Crypto's crazy right now, and I just want to give y'all some guidance on, how to make money. You know me, I primarily focus on the New York Stock Exchange, but I also dip and dab into some crypto, Sometimes I might touch some Forex, So it all depends, on how I feel and how much money I have available for those things at the given time. So, son, let me go ahead and talk to y'all real quick. Let's just go ahead and get straight on with it, son. So the first thing is, I will always say, for people to be like, oh, son, what should I do with crypto? Like, especially the Bitcoin joint. Can we just acknowledge the fact that Bitcoin jumped to 41K this week, son? This week has been wild, my God. Like, it's been real crazy out here, son. So Bitcoin hit 41K. Ethereum hit like over 1,200, like 1,220. That joint wild too. So it's so many of them joints just running crazy, and they not stopping. They'll pull back a little bit, but they just keep going higher, son. So people like, yo, son, what should I do with this Bitcoin? I said, if you bought Bitcoin, my personal thought, for myself, I'd be like, you know what? I have Bitcoin. Let me just hold and see what happens. It's not like I'm going all in. I'm not throwing thousands of dollars into Bitcoin or any cryptocurrency for that matter. I'm not throwing thousands of dollars in there. And, for people that do, that's not an issue. I don't, look down on you for that. But my thing is, son, if you're going to throw a lot of money into that joint, make sure you're taking profits and just getting back in when it drops a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Get back in on the regressions and make sure you're selling, when you hit the resistance levels. So, support and resistance. Y'all already know the supply and demand, be intelligent, be a valid trader. I talked about that in some of the beginning episodes, like back in before week 10, son, before week 10, I was telling y'all, son, be a valid trader. So you gotta have all of those, skill sets and mindsets, plan it and develop so that you are making good decisions. So my thing is, hold Bitcoin for yourself, hold crypto for yourself, hold Ethereum for yourself. Me personally, I'm holding Ethereum. I think maybe I do have more Bitcoin than Ethereum. Maybe they're equal. I don't know, but I have a good amount of Bitcoin. I have a good amount of Ethereum. So I'm holding. I'm going to hold until I see something great happens. If not, it was fun. It was a good investment, but I won't take a loss on it. I'll tell you that for sure. I will not take a loss on it. And people in my group, I know it was one member of Forever Slow Stroker. She went 2K in on Bitcoin. Another member, he went 1K in on Bitcoin. And I'm pretty sure there's many others, you know what I'm saying? So I went 26K in on Dogecoin. So yeah, son, we making it happen. You know us. So it's a lot of people making money out here. So so if you're not comfortable with the crypto joint, get out of crypto if you're not comfortable with it, because it's gonna be a wild ride. But I have a feeling that, number one, Bitcoin might really hit that 100K that they're talking about, and Ethereum might hit 5K. So, son, it's a lot of opportunity on the table. You feel me? Man, it's a lot of opportunity on the table, son. So, and another thing I want to tell y'all is look at other coins to compare use case and stuff. Like, what are you talking about use case? So use case just to simplify anything really, is the instances where the coin can be used. Like Bitcoin, you see Bitcoin being used on a lot of platforms. Remember, Pornhub had the issue where Visa was no longer supporting transactions on Pornhub because of the whole child sex thing that happened. I don't know the full story. I didn't even read into it, to be honest with you, but they are now doing Bitcoin instead of doing Visa payments on Pornhub app. So that's something else. Bitcoin got used there. Now Bitcoin's being used in PayPal. It's being used in, what is this called? Overstock.com. OSTK is the ticker. So it has a high use case, and I feel like Ethereum has a good use case as well. You know what I'm saying? It's utilized in a lot of different places. Like a lot of places accept that form of payment. So that's why you have to look at the use cases, because if the use case is strong, then you kind of can have the idea that, all right, son, well, I know that I can just continue to invest in this because more and more people are going to use it over time. All right, so got that out the way. Boom. Next mission, son. Let me tell you all about this, my guy, son. Oh, my goodness. I got to tell you about, number one, Riot. And then I got to tell you about its number two that a lot of people don't know about. So I talked to y'all about Riot a few weeks back when I was talking about Bitcoin, the first time. It was a few weeks ago. It wasn't long ago. If you go on foreverslowstroking.com, it's actually the video that is on, what is this called? It's on the podcast page. If you go to foreverslowstroking.com, it's on the podcast page, son. I promise you. And that joint is valid. It's called I'ma Start a Riot. And y'all know the 2 Chainz song, right? Yeah, that 2 Chainz song. That's where I got that from. And I'm gonna go ahead and throw that up there right now. You know me, son. Anyway, so yeah, son. So that's where that came from. Now, Riot is a blockchain, and you can trade it on the New York Stock Exchange. That's why I introduced it to you all. And I feel like Riot is definitely something that you can do to make a lot of money off of. And my thing is, first of all, I'm not here to throw trades at nobody, but I would recommend a lot of people that's listening to me to go ahead and get you a Riot call. Now, you might be like, all right, maybe it's too late. It already ran. And Riot did run. You can look on any chart and see that Riot ran crazy. It's very valid, but let me tell you this. So I would go to Riot, right? And I would look at January 15th for the expiration, right? And the next, what is this? The next strike price that I would hit, that I would be looking at, is this 29 strike. It's a 29. So that's the price you would look at for a strike price. And the expiration would be January the 15th, 2021. I would look at that. Right now, the contract, it would cost you about $305 to do a call. Mind you, the stock price went up after market close. So that's not the actual price. So the price will be more when the market opens. But because crypto runs on the weekend, you can definitely do this on Monday. The market will, I would say the actual blockchain, the shares of the blockchain, that price will be it will catch up to the run that crypto had over the weekend, because the stock market is closed. So you can't see the price fluctuation of the actual stock, the blockchain stock. So you'll see that change when the market opens, I would say around like 4 a.m., 6 a.m., 5 a.m., 7 a.m., something like that. So you'll start to see that price jumped up. Wow, it's crazy. So that's right. Now I want to talk to you about it. The name of the company is exactly what it's doing, son. It's called Marathon, son. And the ticker symbol is MARA. That joint is crazy, son. Like, It literally, I'm not one to advocate for anything, but son, that stock literally was going neck and neck with Riot, and now it has passed Riot somehow, and that stock produced a lot of growth. It was like this week, it started off at like, I don't know, probably like 17, 13, I don't know, something like that. And now it's $29, son. That's crazy, son. I'm telling you, crypto is the move. Blockchain is the move. You can't miss these opportunities. And I didn't even take a lot of notes for this episode because I already know how it's about to go, son. So that's that. Now, let me just go ahead and let me recap real quick before I give y'all my progress for the week. Son, so Riot, Marathon, those two blockchains, you can make money off of those two. You know, man. Son, I'm just here to show y'all where the money at. You know what I'm saying, son? So definitely look at those joints. Now, let's go ahead and get into how did Eon do this week? You feel me? So I didn't even know I was gonna be trading this much, but apparently I was very busy. So let's go ahead and get into it. So January the 8th, 2021, that was the week of 12% profit from Neo, $4 loss on SPY, 25% profit from MGM, 19% profit from LAC, 26% profit from Macy's, 42% profit from Macy's, 5% profit from Chewy, 40% profit from At Home, 68% profit from Workhorse, 49% profit from GMGI, 25% profit from SOL, 50% loss from TLT, $3 loss from GE, 92% profit from Microsoft, 10% profit from Riot, $10 profit from SOL, 30% profit in my cash account. Oh, you know me. $20 profit from Mara, $50 profit from Plug, 30% profit from SOL, $10 profit from PSTH, and 12% profit from Alibaba. Son, that was a lot of trades. And in my head, I really feel like I missed some of those because I did make money off of Riot. And I actually do have another Riot position in play right now, son. So, you know, man. But yeah, son, I feel like there's some stuff missing from there because I was in and out of stuff. You know, man, I ain't gonna lie about it. Now, let me just go ahead and go to y'all with this, what is it? What do we call it? The hidden gem, son. The hidden gem. And let me throw on that money sprung, you feel me? For the hidden gem joint, you know what I mean? Yeah, money sprung. Alright, hidden gem, son. Zoom. Ticker symbol ZM. Zoom is, being added to the S&P 500 this week. They say it's supposed to happen January 15th, by the 15th. That can change, but let's recap. Remember when Tesla got added to the S&P? Yeah, it went crazy, stupid, dumb, retarded, son. And Zoom was the COVID play, like one of the number one COVID plays that actually made several millionaires. So with this S&P inclusion, my thought, to just exchange with you all is, son, I would go in on some calls, or I would go in on some shares. Which one is safer? The shares. Which one's going to make you more money if it pops off? The calls. So, you know what I'm saying? You got to get valid with the options. And speaking of getting valid, son, for the next 10 people that join Forever Slow Stroking the Investing Group, you'll be automatically entered into a cash prize raffle. Son, I'm making moves. I'm trying to make sure everybody get valid. All you have to do is go on foreverslowstroking.com or just hit me up. Just hit me up, son, and I will contact you, and we're going to make moves, son. We're going to make this money, son. I'm just here to teach y'all. There will be lessons. When I say lessons, I mean classes. That's the whole point of Forever Slow Stroking, to educate the people, not just to send you trades, but to educate you, you know what I'm saying? Because you need to learn how to do this stuff for yourself so that you can be profitable, so that if anything happened to me or anybody else in the group that's sending those trades, you know what I'm saying, you're not really missing out because you can do it yourself. You know what I'm saying? That's why I would call it a valid trader. That's the difference between a valid trader and a valid investor and somebody that's just in the market. So that's it. That's all I got for y'all, man. Like I said, you know me, holla at you.